Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for unlocking the full potential of small bedroom spaces. We understand that living in a snug spaces comes with its unique challenges. But we are here to prove that limitation can spark the most creative solutions. Our channel is your go-to resource for a myriad of ideas, tips, and eye projects tailored to transform your compact bedroom into a stylish haven. Join us on a journey where design meets functionality and every square foot is an opportunity for innovation. From ingenious storage solutions that maximize every nook and cranny to decor inspirations that elevate your space, we have got you covered. But this is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a home that reflects your personality and lifestyle. We delve into the art of balancing form and function, showing you that even the smallest spaces can be a canvas for self expression. Our videos are crafted to cater to a diverse audience, whether you are a college student navigating room life, a city dweller in a cozy apartment, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of minimalism. Our content is designed to inspire and guide you. Expect regular uploads featuring room makeovers, dye projects that would not break the bank, and discussions on the latest trends in a small spaces living. We are not just a channel, we are a community of like minded individuals passionate about tuning limitations into opportunities. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the